want to show you our factory. Now, what you see is the real our factory. Now, all the trailers, such as the cement tanker, the tipper, and the sidewall, all the trailers you see is for exporting to Africa. Let me show you. This is our trailer ready to go to Mozambique. Now, you can see we have many experience to do the African market trailers. So our design is also African design. I can show you. Because different country and this different city have the different standard. Now you can see the back is different. Use our sidewall can carry more than 3 tons one time for our customer. So this is why our sidewall is very popular in Africa. Every month we have nearly 80 pieces. It's for 15 months Napaso market. You can see this is East Africa. This is West Africa. Different place we have different design because every country their policy is different, their weighing system is different. So our design is we can design your trailer in the future according to your market requirement. And many years ago we have been to Ethiopia. The cement tanker is ready to go to Philippines. We are a personal company, but we belong to one boss. So our name is Genron. Even in the road, on the road in China, you can see many of cement tanker is ours. Our we already finished packing. So maybe today and tomorrow they will leave it to canning pot. Then we will put them in the ship. I will show you some spots. The plane. We design it as our customers' requirement. They have 2 uses. One is for box cargo, the other one is for container. So if you have any requirement, you can tell us. We can design for you. When you put the containers, you can remove the sidewall, then put the container on it directly. Only West Africa, like Burkina Faso and Cote d'Ivoire, this country is popular. Even our Senegal customers, they are coming one time every month. They have order for us. Our trailer today ready to take cement tanker. They are ready to do the painting. We are not color painting now. We are power spray painting. It's different. Our cement tanker. This company in China is very big. Every year we produce many tanker products. Even like Shakma, Fino, and Kamek, CMC. CMC is also a famous truck in China. We are their biggest supplier in China. Last year we produced 2,200 units cement tanker products. So you can ask if you have a friend in China, you can ask them about our cement